I'm Ashley and I'm a choreographer. I write and direct. And for this year, WNSKS is having their 6th anniversary, and they're doing something completely different. They're planning on having a series of musicals which is going to be put together by all the everyone actually, from the bottom to the top, divided into various teams from the 3 centers, and it actually reminds me of when I was in school or college, when we just put things together. A lot of fun, a lot of fights, but at the end of it, a lot of togetherness. So let's see how this one goes. See you then.
Welcome to the WNS office.
This is a good break for everybody to just come together and enjoy this for a little bit of time.
It's been a great challenge to accumulate all the team members, approximately 60 to 70, to come on a Saturday.
The attendance level is very poor. Every day I see a new face.
I think we're rocking right now, and Brijesh has a lot of energy and enthusiasm, and that's helping the team get through.
This journey is kind of becoming addictive. I look forward to coming on Saturdays to office and spend time with my colleagues.
You come to office, work with your colleagues, and on Saturday you find everyone dancing and rocking. Isn't it a different experience?
It's been one big experience trying to teach these people how to dance, but it's fun actually.
Each one has their own strengths. Some are very strong on the theatre side, some are very strong on the dance side.
The teams are still not up to the mark.
We're actually being very good students, and we are definitely ensuring that we learn what he's teaching us.
Things are falling in place. Everybody's quite enthusiastic about what they're doing.
I'm also taking a lot of offense to the fact that I think a choreographer is also quite upset with us.
I hope they pull up their socks and start walking faster than the other 2 that have already gone ahead.
You see the way we're dancing, our left hand does not know what our right hand does.
Simpler steps. If you're doing it, you have to do exactly like the way Choli ke piche you want.
I was talking about the music, not the lyrics.
Sometimes they behave like little kids, man. Even kindergarten kids are like easy to handle and not these.
Initially, when I started, this team was really bad. Believe me, I'm telling you.
But when I get angry, that's the time they get petrified. They will never get scared of the devil the way they get scared of me. Next, finish. Let's head from the time I met you. If it's there to win. Otherwise, don't go in.
So it took a whole lot of effort to put everything together, and I think we are set now.
Today I can say that yes, the goose is getting out of me, and I'm going to rock at Goa.
The director has taken over. The choreographer is jobless.
I've come initially, and the first day it was bad. This is at least better.
There's a huge sense of competitiveness. One group doesn't know what the other group's doing.
We're going with the mission that we're the best, and as long as we're convinced about that, I think the audience will.
It's all about teamwork and putting in hard work, and we're doing all that, and I'm sure we're going to win. We'll rock.
We are the champions, my friend.
Apart from performance, I'm like working with very good human beings, so that's what is keeping me going,
I think it's going to make for really, really exciting stuff. Really exciting stuff.
That's confidential.
Can we see it? Come on. Come center, walk center. Get it. Walk out. Okay, and you do that pankha to me, pankha.
third time that we're practicing this, and a lot of confusion. But what you'll see here is Brijesh trying to have Hemant do one of the lead roles, and Tahira is trying to woo Hemant, and the others are witnessing Tahira wooing Hemant. And I'm not going to tell you what characters they are playing, because that I'll have to give out the story, which I don't want to. This is one of the 3 episodes of a Golmaal session that you're going to see end of September in Goa.
Very nervous initially when we started. I was like, whether I'll be able to do it or not on the stage. If I make mistakes, if I forget the steps, and if everybody is doing, there'll be so many people staring. How will I be able to face myself again if I just forget? If I just mess up everything? But as we are practicing and as it's progressing, it's like I have really gained a lot of confidence now.
One thing I've challenged about myself: if I teach, I'm going to teach them in such a way that they will always dance that step for the rest of their life.
This experience that we're having here is pretty different. It's about coordinating dance with 10 other people on the stage. When you sing, when you do rock music, it is just you singing and you're very single there on the top and you do your act. But here you're supposed to be coordinating with 10 other people. It's pretty difficult to get to coordinate everybody to dance. In fact, there is one particular sequence where we need to turn our legs around the chair and we had people kicking chairs all over the place. So it took a whole lot of effort to put everything together. More often than not, we see people in the offices, a very different side of them when they sit at their desk and they're not coming out. Here we suddenly find the dullest guy on the floor coming out and dancing, and we see another side of his personality.
Most important challenge to me is if I'm taking part in a competition, I'm never going to lose. I warn them, if I don't win the first 3 places, I'm going to disown the team that loses.
Don't look down, look at the audience, because it doesn't make sense if you just stand in one place. You all are the ones who are going to build up the whole thing. So remember the chemistry between each other. And you all are dancing for the audience. So make sure you look at the audience and sing the song. Let's have it also.
Five, 6, 7, 8.
been a very exciting journey so far, and this journey is kind of becoming addictive. I look forward to coming on Saturdays to office and spend time with my colleagues and going for practices as well. This is very interesting stuff.
You'll have probably the best, the strongest idea of narrative, and the way you're putting it together, your narrative is probably the strongest, the clearest. I don't need to be explained it. I can watch it, I know exactly what's going on. You're not ignoring it.
Really worried about this team. Actually, the first team is finished off very well. Second team is a little too weak. Hoping that they put their act together and kick ass as soon as possible. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Shimmy, shake, and all that jazz. Oh, she's gotta shimmy till her gutters break, and all that jazz. Sure, where to park her girdle. Oh, my little girdle. That jazz.
Guys, the other teams are really ahead of us, and we don't even have our sequence in play here. Okay, so please, attendance is going to be compulsory, okay?
That jazz.
How are you feeling?
How are you feeling?
Yeah.
I want to break free. As you can see, this is my second team from Pune. Compared to the first team is more involved in scripting and acting and everything. This team is, they are not only involved, but their energy boosters are more higher than the first team. So they basically, they want to do 10 things at one time, and the first team wants to do one thing at one time. So far contrast from both the teams. Easier for me because then the attention is diverted accordingly and I can give time. But this team is fun to watch. Check it out.
I think it's been exciting and really I'm learning a new side of me. I can actually dance, which is a great feeling. And I came thinking that it's going to be really easy and why do we need like 8 weeks to practice? We can do it in 3 weeks, but it's not that easy.
The teams are still not up to the mark. The first team that we started today was Hemant and Lipika. I mean, they were not disciplined till last Saturday, and today they have like shown little improvement, but it's not enough. They are just presentable. And the second team was Ashish and Rahul. They are doing a good job. Very sincere right from the beginning. Very hardworking, good actors, good dancers. The third team is Priya and Shameen. The third team is a little. They need to work hard. I mean, they need not work hard from the performance point of view. Performance-wise, they are good dancers and good actors. They just need to come for rehearsal. The attendance level is very poor. Every day I see a new face.
The first thing you need to do is sit together as a group and find out who's really committed. Okay, and work. If you got 6, work with 6 committed, you'll put on a good show. It's very tiring to cast someone, and I can understand this predicament and their predicament, to cast someone and then have them drop out, and then cast someone and have them drop out, because then it goes nowhere. Yeah? So we've got to start with what we have and then take it from there. So if you guys can add on, that'll be fantastic. We'd love to have you there. But you've got to be regular.
Dunk with the champions!
We are the champions, my friends. And we'll keep on fighting till the end. We are the champions.
I've just come actually off a film 2 days ago. I just finished shooting on a set there, and I feel like I've come back to another set because it's exactly the same. There are props all over the place, there are people checking out costumes, there are people rehearsing everywhere. There's 3 groups here in Gurgaon. There's one group called Fittemu. It's about a genie, and it's about this group of pirates that keeps, rubbing this magic lamp and what they see at the end of it. And it's got its own surprise. I'm not going to tell you too much because that's going to let the cat out of the bag. But it is suffice enough to say it's heaps of fun, and it's really, really very funny. The second group is Rose, and Rose is doing something really serious. It's got this big, battle sequence with swords, and it's a very serious kind of story. So it's completely different to Fittemu. And then of course we have the third group, which is the Patiala Peg Productions. And I mean, Patiala Peg, when you think of Patiala Pegs, you think of, well, watching a movie, right? Sitting back, having a drink and watching a movie. So Patiala Peg Productions, there's a full-on Bollywood kind of production, starting from a little village boy who goes out and becomes a hero, gangster, you name it. Very, very colorful, very entertaining. And if I'm not mistaken, I think that's the one that's going to come first up, you know, to open the show. So, well, I hope you guys have fun with these 3 productions coming from Gurgaon, because I have had fun watching them in and rehearsal. Like I said, I feel like I'm back on the set.
Can you see what's happening behind me? They're all fighting. They are learning some stunt sequence right now. And I never thought that this thing will come out so well. They are just lapping it up. It's so beautiful. It's amazing. I was really tensed about this scene as to how to make them fight with swords and stuff. Right now they're using sticks, but they'll be using swords and spears. So it has come out really well. It's really tough to know who's winning right now.
So you see the sweat. I've been practicing for the last 2 hours, non-stop. It has been great fun. 12 weeks have been an amazing experience. Full of fun, full of excitement, meeting with people, meeting with other people and teams, and just seeing the competition building up. I have been pumping my team up as well. The people are great. They are really ready to perform. They want to reach perfection. Now whether we win or lose, what matters is perfection. What we need to deliver is perfection.
When you're jiving, it's rock and roll. You don't do this when you're jiving. It's rock and roll. Everybody hear what's going down. Everything, you don't do that for every step. And I just hit your leg now. Once it's right leg, then when you're tired of it, it's left leg. Cause it's a goal, we have won. अबे क्या bowling कर रहा है? ये क्या है? ये क्या ना थोड़ा झुक जा ना? रमन देख रहा है तो ऐसा लग रहा है तो अभी bowling कर रहा है।
I initially used to wonder why they've offered me the Draupadi role rather than the seductive Draupadi role. Well, I'm completely in love with my character and I'm just trying to bring out the best that I can and put in the best that I can in this role. Yes, I do fear that I don't turn to obsessive playing Draupadi, that unknowingly, unconsciously, unintentionally starts creeping into the work as well. So watch out, you guys.
It's been over 10 to 12 weeks that we've been practicing, and it's been a great experience for me. I've learned a lot about dancing, and to be quite honest with you, teamwork, being cohesion and hard work put in dance steps. I'm playing the role of Yudhishthir from Fitemu team, the Aaj Ka Yudhishthir. And my role is of typical possessed husband who loves his wife dearly. And
well, I'm sorry, he is my darling Yudhishthir, but I played the bad wife, and I just hope that this doesn't really happen to you in real life. All the best.
I'm keeping my fingers crossed. Thank you.
Come on, Jamil, do something.
Now, good.
5,
Good, look down.
correct.
Hands down.
been almost 12 weeks since we were informed that we need to go to Goa and we need to do the musical, and getting the entire team together was of course an artist's task. The script's changed God knows how many times in the last probably 12 weeks. We've changed the songs, we've changed the people who are actually doing the various sequences, but I guess finally now we have our final product ready. Those who have seen us about 4 weeks ago when we had the first video shoot, we were miserable. The only thing we had was one series of steps, but we've come a long way. The team's really charged at this point of time. Everybody knows what they're supposed to be doing, and everybody's nervous like hell for sure.
Now facing some challenges with costumes and dress changes and so on. It's a major challenge to get Shamil out of a dhoti and into a trouser and back again into a dhoti in 10 seconds flat every time. We don't seem to have time there, and even the ladies on the team have to change out of village garments and then get into this square and then back into village garments, which is really difficult, but we're handling it. We're also trying to figure out whether we can get matkas in Goa, but I guess we'll take it on and give you a good production.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Only 13 days left, and all the 3 teams, according to me, are presentable. I mean, they can go on stage right now and like take on anybody. And so far they've been doing a good job, and I hope that the next 13 days they continue with it, and we all are looking forward to Goa right now.
Can we start? Yes. So just I'm saying, once we start, finish this. Imagine you're on stage right now. Bombay team perform करके गया, अभी Pune team आ रहा है. Finish. Let's rock it. Though I'm too excited about the whole thing, I mean, I'm sure my team is going to win. I'm sure the other teams also going to do well. But then, to be very honest, after all this is done, I think I'll be taking some very fond memories from Pune.
आज की हमारी सबसे बड़ी सनसनी 14 साल वनवास काटने के बाद वापस लौट रहे अपने घर को कपल 14 बरस का वनवास पाया, माता पिता का वचन निभाया, माता पिता का वचन निभाया, वो कैसे हर लीला ने जीता, रावण को मारा लंका को जीता, रावण को मारा लंका को जीता, कब ये आए, कब ये आए, कब ये आए, कब ये आए, कब ये दुनिया इनको उठाई, राम जी की निकली सवारी, राम जी की लीला है न्यारी.
First and foremost thing I'd say to you is ki rectify your dialogue, not just the words, but the intonation, the pacing of the way you said it, and the mood with which you said it. Correct? So that you are exactly the way you recorded it on stage.
बात वही है, अभी आप लोग ने खुद डायलॉग रिकॉर्ड किया है. उसका व्हाट हैपेंस, यू ब्रेक द ऑडियंस का कंसंट्रेशन लेवल तोड़ डालते हो. वो देखेगा, अरे मैच, इट हैज टू बी देयर. I know what is happening. Other thing is, you all have stuck to that same route over there. I told you, you can use your space. When there is no dancing, you can use that space. उधर ही सब मारे पड़े उधर.
expensive commodity you can have, na, is sharam. You have to be besharam, huh? Seriously. And that is when you will look your best.
यार सर्किट, और तेरे को क्या लगता है गोवा से आके अपने से वापस से काम होएगा कि ये बाइकरी में लगे रहने वाले?
भाई यही तो लाइफ है, देखते हैं ना, गोवा से वापस आएंगे, बैठेंगे कुर्सी पे, फिर देखते हैं क्या होता है, जो होता है करेंगे,
नहीं तो पेक मार के टल्ली।
We don't want the audience to give two things to look at. No, the audience to give one thing. Okay, part of something. ऐसा नहीं कि ये खत्म हो गया. It's not a tennis game. So just remember. I'm telling you, we have to win. If you ask me, I've never lost a competition, so I feel that I'm a little more selfish towards that. So I want you all to win. Only thing is now, let's do a good, proper, solid rehearsal. And let's give the other teams a reason to worry. Just want to say I enjoyed working with you all and hope to work with you all in your future. All the best for you. Thank you. Yes, it's true that I'll be taking a lot of fond memories from the Pune team. But as for now, the competition is still on. So, till we meet in Goa, all the best to all the teams and let's have a great competition.
I'm here with Toby, and Toby, I don't know, but I've been actually watching Delhi and that's Gurgaon, and Pune, and there's Rajesh teaching the guys in Delhi, and we've got Dominic teaching in Pune. And what I've noticed is that all the three, whether it's you or whether it's the other two, each of you are so distinctive in your style. It's not funny. I mean, and each of you is very, very special. Like I was talking to you earlier, and you've got this incredible, energy, or this ball of energy, which is very attractive. Rajesh is a very sensitive, soft, kind of teacher. His work also is like a little more, theatrical and a little more detailed.
He's into theatre, yeah.
He's got that incredible softish quality to his voice, to his work. And Dominic,
I'm sure he's very Bollywood completely.
Yeah. Dominic is like he's a surprise package. So for me, when I went to see Dominic's work, he looks, when you see him, he looks like straight out of Bollywood. You think like, okay, here comes the Bollywood guy, yeah? And then out came all this folk work, which for me was completely different. I think the three of you here together are going to make for a very interesting show for me to put together in Goa.
It's been great to see three teams that have molded themselves from what they were not, some of them who never dreamt they could do things, into what they are right now.